Have you ever wondered why do you go for coachings? The statistics which have been revealed are eye-opening. So if you go on to one of the studies which have been published by Lokniti CSDS, and this was published in The Hindu of 1st of August 2024, the findings are really eye-opener. If you go on to the reason why students go for coaching institutes in Delhi, 58% of them have said that it's only because of the reputation of coaching institute that they go to a coaching institute. So isn't it surprising? They don't go there to get good study material, to get good references, to get a right preparation strategy, but just because of the reputation. Now the question is, where does this reputation come from, and what are the sources that you have trusted on? So that's a big question. Again, 4% say that they have reviewed the success rate. Now, how authentic is this success rate, and how does this success rate matter? Because there could be students who have been preparing there, but the same student, if they were preparing sitting at their home, could have achieved a better position. Are you sure that that would not be the case? So again, this is a big question that you have to address. If you go on to the real success rate, after the interview, the complete cycle of UPSC, prelims, mains and interview, less than 1% qualify from the coaching centers. So that is the real statistics, and even for mains it's just 2%. So when you are preparing for your mains, are you sure that your answers are being evaluated correctly, or you are getting a right feedback onto what should be the correct strategy for answer writing? Just give it a thought. Also, there have been issues related to the living conditions. So 45% of the students are living alone who have come to Delhi with no background, and as a result that raises the amount of stress and anxiety for the students. The frequency to meet their parents is 3 months to 6 months, which is again a big question mark. Most of the students are hailing from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now again, a lot of students from this background are students from mixed language who are well acquainted with both Hindi and English, but they are not very well versed with English in certain cases. They might feel difficulty while writing answers in English, and that's one of the reasons that they look for proper guidance and proper help that they can get. But again, if you are utilizing the material judiciously, you can get a good exposure to the materials which are available in Hindi as well as English using the translate option on the top. So with your own preparation, you can definitely go ahead and achieve better success and better results, because the reasons for taking coaching is really surprising in the findings that have been revealed. So just give it a thought, not just because of the reputation of the institute you are going to that institute. It's not admission to a university or an academic institute where your NIRF ranking or the ranking of the institute would matter, right? Because that is what that would determine your career, your final goal where you would get placed onto. But this is just a means to an end, right? So understand the difference very carefully here, and if you can do it by self-study through a proper methodology. Again, interesting, a lot of students say that they actually get an exposure to competitive environment. Now this is again really a big question, because if you set targets for yourself, then there is no need for this exposure to competitive environment. It's obvious that lakhs and lakhs of students are sitting, so competition is to be difficult, right? So you need to adopt a strategy in which you can survive and thrive well, and do a consistent, regular hard work with dedication.